Firstly, the float rod screw should be adjusted using a screwdriver to set the desired water height. Do not over-tighten as this may damage the screw. Next, the stop cord should be closed to stop the flow of water into the tank. Ensure the stop cord is fully closed to prevent any water splash. Next, the overflow rods must be carefully unscrewed from the tank and the rubber seal should be detached. If the rod is difficult to remove, pliers may be used, but handle with care to avoid damaging the machine surrounding pipe. Afterward, the new float rod can be screwed securely into place and a new rubber seal should be attached to its end. Do not over-tighten as this may damage the screw. Following this, the float should be reattached to the new float rod by aligning it with the rod's end. Use pliers if necessary to tighten the clip or screw holding the float in place, but avoid over-tightening. Then, the float rod should be firmly secured and adjusted to maintain the correct water level, ensuring it does not lead to overflow. After that, the stop cord should be opened to let the water flow. Finally, the water flow should be checked to confirm that the tank fills correctly without any overflow. Monitor closely for any leaks or improper water levels before finishing the test.